Welcome to the Motorbike Maintenance course. Whether you're looking for a new career or want to master your own ride, you're in the right place. Great maintenance builds trust and professionalism. It's about more than just fixing bikes, it's about safety and reliability on the road. We cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, keeping you up to date with the latest industry standards. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to work faster, smarter, and more effectively. Ready to start? Let's look at what we'll cover. We'll start with the heart of the machine: engine design, cooling, and lubrication. Then, we'll dive into ignition and fuel systems. Next, you'll master the power delivery, exploring the clutch, transmission, and the final drive. A smooth ride depends on the frame, steering, and suspension. We'll also ensure you're expert in wheels, tyres, and most importantly, brakes. Modern bikes rely on electronics. We'll simplify the battery, charging systems, lights, and instruments. Finally, you'll learn the art of professional cleaning, proper storage, and how to troubleshoot common issues like a pro. Don't just ride, understand your machine. Enroll today and build your future in motorcycle maintenance.